That is right. This is weather. When we say weather, it is the condition of the atmosphere at a specific place and time. What you see outside is the weather condition. For example, you wake up in the morning and you see the rays of the sunlight that lit your room. Therefore, your weather from that time is a beautiful sunny day. In addition, weather may change from time to time or day by day. Let's do climate. It is the general pattern of weather in a certain area over a long period of time. To tell the climate of a certain area, scientists study its precipitation and temperature for a period of 30 years. That is why climate is the average weather condition of the place for a long period of time. Like weather, climate has several factors that may affect. The first factor that may affect the climate is latitude. Latitude is the distance to the north and south from the equator. It is the imaginary line that is parallel to the equator. Latitude determines the variety of climatic zones on Earth. Our planet Earth is divided into 3 major climate zones, namely tropical, temperate, and polar zones. Tropical regions are the low latitude located near the equator. Temperate regions are the middle latitude, and polar zones or polar regions are the high latitude. You have noticed that they are not equal. Why? Because Earth's axis is tilted in 23.5 degrees. Sun's rays strike vertically in the places near the equator or in tropical regions. This makes the temperature higher in these areas, and Philippines is near the equator. That is why we are a tropical country. Areas in temperate regions have 4 different seasons, while the polar regions have low temperatures resulting to a cold climate. Take note of these, class. Places that are near the equator have high temperature. Places that are far from the equator have low temperature. Or we can say, as the latitude increases, temperature decreases. Let's proceed to the second one, and that is altitude. Why is it that during summer, many people visit Baguio City? Obviously, the reason is the cold climate there. Do you think the altitude of the place might affect the climate? Yes, altitude is the height above sea level. The air temperature decreases as the altitude increases. Places with higher elevations have cold climates just like Baguio City. For every 1,000 meter, there is drop of 6.5 degrees Celsius. The decrease in air temperature is due to the decrease in air pressure. Another example is Mount Kilimanjaro located in Africa. Africa is a place near the equator. Therefore, we expect high temperature. However, how is it possible that the peak of this mountain is covered by ice? That is because of altitude. The mountain stands 5,895 meters above sea level. Again, class, the higher the place is, the colder the temperature, or temperature decreases as the altitude increases.